What's up, YouTube? What's up, TikTok? What's up, Facebook, Instagram? It's your boy, Two Phones for Free. Back again with another informative video. What you seeing on the screen right now is the Test Drive Linux Distros online. So what is this website? This is DistroSea.com. I came across this by watching some Linux videos on YouTube, learning the ins and outs about Linux and how everybody was like, man, you gotta leave Windows, switch to Linux. But I still like Windows, man. I'm a Windows dude since the late 90s, early 2000s. Everybody been running on Windows. And you ain't been running on Windows, yeah, you was running on Macintosh or Mac. So that's how old your ass is. Anyway, this ain't about you. This is about Linux. And anybody can learn Linux, man. This is real talk, and it's 100% for free online. You go to this website right here, DistroSea.com. Again, I came across it from a YouTube channel, and they was talking about the easiest way to get into Linux, and I'm running this on my Xbox One. This is another thing, man. This is where you gotta like Xbox, and I like where Xbox and PC going, man. Xbox and PC finna merge. It's over with. PlayStation, Nintendo, you're done. Xbox and PC finna merge, and that's the best part. You know what I'm saying? And not only that, I showed you guys a video. Well, not TikTok, but maybe YouTube. GeForce Now. You can run GeForce Now games via the cloud and your internet connection, as long as you got a good internet connection. You could play games for free over the cloud servers and stuff like that. And this is basically what this website is. This is a cloud server, but you could get a virtual machine. Basically, you could turn your Xbox into a VM, which is a virtual machine. I mean, they got all the Linux OSs, all the Linux. They got Bazite. They even got Bazite, man. Everybody, if you into emulation and you into gaming, you know what Bazite is. So this website even has Bazite, and it's another one that they got Ubuntu. They got Ubuntu, and then on top of that, this website has vanilla. I don't know if you guys know about vanilla, but you need to check out vanilla. I'm gonna get down to the nitty gritty. See, they even got the Ubuntu. They even got Ubuntu on here and things. And there you go, Vanilla OS. Look that up. You don't know what Vanilla OS is? They got Ubuntu Studio. Now, I mean, they got the whole Ubuntu core. So, and Zorin OS, I see a lot of people talk about that on YouTube. So check out Zorin OS. Get your Ubuntu. Especially, I mean, if you're into cybersecurity, you're into coding, programming, you're into virtual machines. This website is the all-in-one for Linux users, Linux fans, Linux followers. Open source, I heard about that too. Check that out too. But you can try these out. Like, you can test these out. You can play with them, things and that sort. I think I heard about Corpus. I'm trying to figure out. Okay, they got Linux Lite. Let's see if we can get into that real quick. Oh, my bad. I'm going to my cloud. Yeah, and I got my cloud server right now on the Xbox One. I'm running all this on my Xbox through the Microsoft Edge browser. One of the most powerful browsers that you could get. You can even get Microsoft Edge on your Android, iOS. I know a lot of people be hating on Microsoft, but it is. It's one of the most powerful browsers. Hey, I still recommend it. Check that out. So let's see if we can get into Linux Lite. And just like GeForce Now, there's a wait process, and they have the latest versions. So you want to pick on the latest version. I mean, you don't have to, but I mean, that's just easier to get into. My bad. I'm doing this all with one hand. So, and then they say in between 64 megabytes of RAM to 8 gigs of RAM. As long as you got that much RAM, you're able to, run this stuff. So let's see if we can run it like Chris Brown. See if we can run it like Chris Breezy. Currently, there are no users. All right. Oh, currently there are 2 users. Okay, so sometimes it is a wait, like GeForce Now. With the free version, this the freemium. Again, this YouTube channel, we talk about the for free. So you want to wait in line, you can wait in line. If you don't, Move on, try another one. All right. So while we waiting, it's basically Linux Lite is a user-friendly, lightweight Linux distribution based on Ubuntu LTS releases. Linux Lite was created to make the transition from Windows to a Linux-based operating system as smooth as possible. Linux Lite includes essential applications, a familiar desktop environment, and provides a smooth and efficient experience on both older and modern hardware. System requirements 1 gigahertz, and then, like I said, oh my bad, it didn't come all the way through. 768 megabytes, not 70. My bad. I went to the GeForce Now. All right, there we go. So again, it's a load time. You're gonna have to wait. If your internet connection is good, you should automatically kick in. You know, once it's your turn. It's just a waiting process. But I'm showing you guys the easiest way to get into Linux without downloading, without installing. Go to the website up there in the corner, DistroSea.com. I'll put the link in the description box. But you could try all the Linux OSs. You could try all the Linux setups for free. All right. So, well, I'm not gonna have y'all wait too much longer. See, now it's a few more people. Let's go back. Let's see if we can get in this one any faster. Just gonna try let's just try the default joint. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's gonna be a wait for that one. So, I mean, depending on the time and day, it's a lot. Okay, then it says sign in to access internet inside the operating system. Okay, you gotta sign in to get internet access to the operating system. All right, and then they're gonna give you like a mini description on each operating open source system or operating system period. But yeah, y'all give me y'all thoughts in the comment section below. Did you know about this website? And are you into Linux? Are you using Linux? Anything? Again, you can run Linux VMs, virtual machines, on the Xbox One. That's how powerful the Xbox One is. I mean, basically, it's because of Microsoft browser. Like I said, the GeForce Now can run through the Xbox system. I got a video on my YouTube channel already running GeForce Now through the Xbox One via the Microsoft Edge browser. So, truthfully, that's all you need. All right, hope you guys like this video. It's your boy. I'm out.